Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Well, there will be a lot of bullish news in the next days besides the US election. XRP is still building out, but I still want to return to the topic at hand. You may have overheard me raving about eGrad crypto, but I'd like to begin with this. More importantly, he delves into the future of XRP and what that entails. In addition, I would like to dissect this paradigm that he presented. The three main zones, the accumulating range, the bullish zone, and the red flag zone, are what matter most. The obvious next question is, what exactly is it? Although there is always a chance in the red area, the bullish area is where the bulls are actually purchasing. Even though everyone knows it's a bad idea, some people still buy green candles. What does this mean when we discuss it in detail? Well, we entered the red zone on July 24th, but the bulls quickly repelled our advances with a pair of weekly candle closings in the red. Plus, it's thrilling to watch how it reliably recovers from this red zone. It seems like there's a buyer's market in that region. As for the yellow zone, range, or support zone, we have been using it as a strong support level since March 13, 23. I think that's approximately where we are at the moment. If the price finds support there, it will likely remain there for some time before seeking a new upward break and gradually working its way back up from the previous lows. Maintaining support and obtaining fuel both depend on it. On the other hand, if you want a token or coin to increase in value, you need to lay the groundwork at new price points. At this point, the supply zone is the blue area. The bears always put up a strong fight whenever the bulls try to break into this range. That's something we've seen before. Our ultimate goal is to break through the $1 zone, and the zone between 63 and 73 cents is a crucial area to do so. Right now, we're still within this solid support zone, but when we break above a number of these indicators, including the 1.0 Fibonacci level, 1236141, bullish momentum will kick in. This area is green, and it's the last checkpoint before we enter extremely bullish sentiment. On the whole chart, it is visible once more. If we want to break above 65 cents, where should we look? There is the number I have been referring to as a bullish upward move, entering the blue zone, searching for a supply move, eliminating many bears, and then continuing further into the 73 zone, escaping from there and going up. You might be thinking the same thing, and that's fantastic. Exactly what that entails may be dissected. Yet how am I to interpret this? The XRP has no impact. We are being sold by Ripple again. This whole thing is about the escrow, and that's what I want to clear up right now. It has been misunderstood by many. Everyone thinks it's simply Ripple dumping on the token and the community, and that's about it. However, this information comes from a crypto lawyer named Bill Morgan. In fact, he shared his thoughts on this matter on November 3, 2024. The SEC claimed in the case that Ripple didn't use escrow as one of the strategies to support the price of XRP. That it lowers the price of XRP is a common belief among XRP enthusiasts. For a dozen reasons, though, that seems incorrect. We discussed this in their third quarter report yesterday, but Ripple's message that the escrow reveals itself as a hold and ultimately a shrinking Ripple XRP holding boosts confidence for everybody involved, which is why XRP has such a lengthy and bullish community sitting behind it. Morgan also mentioned that the escrow was one of many steps Ripple took to boost the price of XRP, and that the SEC is asserting this in its action against the company. Morgan elaborated by saying that many in the XRP community mistakenly believe it suppresses. Yes, it is a holding. In the end, they are selling part of what they have on hand. Whether it's a fee or not, we have no idea. Regardless of its intended use, building out essentially facilitates consistent price movement, whether it's for court kits or something else entirely. Additionally, the SVP blockchain is one of the other major updates we've implemented recently, and I believe it's crucial to mention this. The value of the internet is at the heart of this. Now, we covered XRP extensively on this channel, and I still think it's huge. There are meme coins, of course, and 2 more upgrades are on the way, as we talked about yesterday. Now, this is the intriguing part. The company's aim, according to Ripple's SVP of Strategic Initiatives, is to give people a reason to utilize the internet, reduce transportation costs, and increase value globally. Also, the Thinking Crypto podcast should definitely mention this. According to Middenberg, the developers of Ripples began working on the project to facilitate value interoperability. Everyone thinks Ripple will be the global payment system for the finance sector around the globe, since the blockchain technology allows value to move as efficiently as real products and data, as he noted. I feel it's crucial to bring it up since, in the end, many people view XRP as nothing more than a coin. The truth is that integration is taking place in a wide variety of sovereign nations, including the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and, more lately, countries like Brazil. Quite a bit of hype around this, so it must be significant. You do see countries purchasing specific cryptocurrencies, but you don't see that happening nearly often enough in the underlying financial market infrastructure of those countries. Last but not least, I feel obligated to mention this John Deaton. This might be a huge deal for XRP. Whether she's right or wrong, John Deaton is opposing Elizabeth Warren. This might be the first time we witness a pro-cryptocurrency individual becoming involved in a Senate election, and Elizabeth Warren's assault on cryptocurrency could abruptly end, depending on which notion you think could easily defeat her in the polls. So, the big question is, why isn't the price of XRP pumping? Well, the market as a whole is very flat again. Things are going to get very dicey as word gets out about who's winning and who isn't, and where Trump is and isn't. It is encouraging to see Bitcoin prices rise again above 68,000. While we would prefer it if XRP could maintain its 50-cent price point, it is critical that it does so. Additionally, we remain inside the previously discussed range. Right now, there is only one day left until this election, so you might want to take a break, as I mentioned before. A large spike is necessary. It would be great if there was a significant influx of volume and purchases. Why is the trend going down? These are the lowest points. It would be unfortunate if this trend continued downward. A positive breakout is what we need to hear about. In terms of short-term price analysis, I suppose the truth is that 236, at 53 cents, would be the target. I hope that XRP holders find this update useful. Seeing my video is an honor. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.